Kerala, a state in southern India, is one of the country's best known tourist destinations. The state was recently named as one of the 10 paradises of the world and 50 places of a lifetime by the National Geographic magazine. Kerala gets its name from the Chera dynasty, which was the first powerful kingdom based in Kerala. During the Chera period, it remained an international spice trading center, with pepper being the most important spice. According to legend, the land of Kerala was recovered from the sea by Lord Parshuram, and hence Kerala is also called Parshuram Kshetram, the land of Parshuram. It's said that he threw his axe across the sea and the water receded as far as it reached. Modern day science has now confirmed that a substantial portion of this area was indeed under the sea in ancient times. The legend, combined with the abundance of natural beauty, fully justify the state's tagline, God's own country. Our journey in Kerala begins in the backwaters of Alleppey. The backwaters are unique to Kerala. Meandering through the coastal areas of Kerala is a 900-kilometer long intricate network of lagoons, lakes, canals, estuaries and deltas of several rivers that flow into the Arabian Sea. The town of Alappuzha or Alleppey is the hub of Kerala's backwaters. Its name literally means the land between the sea and network of rivers flowing into it. It's also called the Venice of the East. Alleppey is graceful and greenery fringed, disappearing into a watery world of villages, canoes, toddy shops and of course houseboats. Float along and gaze over rice fields of succulent green, curvaceous rice barges and village life along the banks. This is one of Kerala's most mesmerizingly beautiful and relaxing experiences. Lined by emerald coconut plantations and interspersed by turquoise lakes, these placid lagoons are the perfect place to shake off pent-up urban stress. The Vembanadu Lake is at the heart of Kerala backwaters tourism. It is India's longest lake and is known all over the world for its scenic beauty. It is in this lake that the famous snake boat race is held every August, which is a major tourist attraction. The houseboats are traditionally called kettuvalams and were originally used to transport rice and other cargo. Today, modern houseboats have 3 bedrooms, toilets, a kitchen and a living area. They also come with a full staff and your own personal cook.
So we'll be talking to Shyam now, who is the captain of this houseboat. अभी सीजन का टाइम क्या रहता है यहाँ पे भैया?
अभी सीजन अभी चालू है. सीजन के टाइम में सब बोट चल रहा है.
टोटली कितने बोट्स हैं यहाँ पे?
टोटली इधर 1000 के ऊपर हाउस बोट है.
1000 के ऊपर. ओके.
ये सब अभी सीजन चालू है. सब बुकिंग करने के लिए बोट भी नहीं मिलेगा. तो ज़्यादा है. अभी 10,000 हो जाना पड़ेगा.
For a decent houseboat, you'll have to pay around 10,000 bucks, which goes up to 50, 60. So this is a mid-range houseboat. So it's a beautiful evening here, and there are so many houseboats.
In Kerala, people refer to the Hindu goddesses as Bhagavati. We visited a beautiful temple dedicated to the goddess Durga near Alleppey.
We have halted here at a famous fish market, and we'll be buying some toddy and fish from here.
Thoram.
Huh? What is it? വെളുക്കുവരട്ടി.
Karimeen.